I'm Jen from Todd Sparkle Market, located in East Liverpool, East Palestine, Chester, and New Cumberland with this week's segment of Great Groceries. Tune in each week for great recipes and money-saving tips from Todd Sparkle Market. Save big at Sparkle this week when you make Sparky's Halloween cookies. Let's get started. Now, I have previously cut up a pie crust, a pre-made refrigerator pie crust, into some squares, and I'm just going to line those onto my baking tray. Now, in a mixing bowl, I'm going to add in 3/4 of a cup of pumpkin with 2 ounces of cream cheese and a mixture of sugar and pumpkin pie spices. And I'll add in 1 egg. Now I'm just going to spoon a little bit of pumpkin onto each square, and then I'll crisscross some strips of refrigerated pie dough over top of the pumpkin to assemble my lumps. You want to bake those in the oven at 375 degrees for about 25 minutes.
This week, our famous whole boneless New York strip steaks are just $3.49 a pound. Whole porterhouse or T-bone steaks are just $3.77 a pound. Fresh lean ground beef sold a 10-pound tube is just $1.49 a pound. And fresh extra lean ground chuck is just $1.99 a pound.
Remember, you can always see this recipe made on the web at www.toddsparklemarket.com. Try it out and tell us what you think of it on our Facebook page, facebook.com/sparklemarket. I'm Jen from Todd Sparkle Market with another segment of Great Groceries. Thanks for watching. See you next week.